सो गाइज पहले आप देख लो, ये फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021 है, रिटर्न पीरियड अक्टूबर है और अक्टूबर में आपकी 3B की समरी मिल रही है और जीएसटीआर 2B से जनरेट होकर डाटा भी आ रहा है। मैंने लास्ट एक वीडियो शेयर की थी कि आप 3B कैसे फाइल करोगे विद 2A एंड 2B। उसके कमेंट में मेरे को एक कमेंट मिला था कमेंट बॉक्स में कि सर मैं 3B फाइल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, नील की भी। तो उन्होंने मुझे एरर बताया, एरर आ रहा है कि जीएसटीआर 2B समरी नोट जनरेटेड। और गाइज मेरा भी एक सिमिलर केस है कि मेरा भी 3B में 2B का डाटा जनरेट नहीं हुआ है, बट मेरा आउटपुट की सेल्स है, उनकी फुल नील थी बट मेरी आउटपुट है, बट मेरा 3B में कुछ नहीं था। तो मुझे ये एरर आ रहा था और फाइनल एरर क्या आ रहा था कि मेरा प्रोसीड टू फाइल बटन एक्टिवेट नहीं हो रहा था। तो अभी आप कॉल सुनो, वो मैंने कॉल की थी और मुझे वहां से आंसर मिला और आपको क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं आप उसको सुन लो।
वेलकम टू जीएसटी पोर्टल हेल्प डेस्क। जीएसटी पोर्टल हेल्प डेस्क में आपका स्वागत है। हिंदी में जारी रखने के लिए कृपया 1 दबाएं। टू कंटिन्यू इन जीएसटी से संबंधित जानकारी के लिए कृपया 1 दबाएं। ई वे बिल के लिए कृपया 2 दबाएं। Please be online. We are transferring your call to the next available representative. This call may be recorded for training and quality purposes.
Welcome to GST Portal Help Desk. My name is Shivani. How may I help you?
Dear ma'am, I am getting error in filing the GSTR 3B. Reason being, since my supplier has not filed any GSTR 1, so obviously I am not getting any summary for table 3.1D and table 4. So I have just go through your help desk and they have mentioned that code this error number, then they will able to solve my issue. So should I tell my error number?
Okay, don't worry, sir. Definitely, I will try to help you up regarding that. I'm really very sorry you are facing this type of issues. And may I know your good name?
My name is Gurpreet.
Okay, and this is your calling number, Mr. Gurpreet?
Yeah.
Okay, then would like to confirm, sir, in GSTR 3, the summary will be generated. Then you will file your GSTR 1. Okay, the counterparty will file GSTR 1. Then 2E will be generated.
Right.
Okay, then you will file GSTR 1. The summary will be generated.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, and if you are GSTR 1 filing quarterly, then the summary will not be generated. And if you are filing GSTR 1 as a monthly basis, the summary will be generated.
Right. Right.
Yes. So now you tell me what is the error.
So I'm telling you, I am filing on monthly basis, and I got the figures on table 3.1. Okay.
Okay.
But I am getting error RT hyphen R2 BR 3B hyphen 1104, and I'm not able to file.
Please check the option here is close option is available or not, sir.
Which side actually? Should I log into the portal again?
Yes. You can on the GST portal and check the option of close.
Ma'am, you're not audible actually.
So please check the option of close on GST portal side.
Wait, let me log in again. Let me log in again. So I have just logged into my portal. What should I do now?
You will go on the GST portal side and click on the tab of return dashboard, prepare online. You will select the GSTR 3B, and after that you will check the option is close option.
No, I'm not getting it any close option. I have just went to this return dashboard, then I've selected financial year 2021, return filing period October, then search, right?
Okay.
Then search. After that, I'm getting option prepare online, and should I click on it? Prepare online.
Yes.
Okay, I have clicked it. Right. Then I'm clicking on next button. So now I'm getting one pop-up. GSTR 3B table 3.1, 3.1D and table 4A. Okay. So for table 3.1, who is getting data from GSTR 1 and form status is filed. But for table 3.1D and table 4, it is mentioned that form status has not generated. And so here it is mentioned as an advisory that your error is RT hyphen, as I said you earlier.
Okay. And after that you will check the option. Here is a little bit option close.
Yeah, I have clicked on close button. Yes, agreed.
Okay, now the close.
Yeah, I have closed.
The advisory will be closed on your portal site, and
Right.
after that you can proceed further. Okay.
Right. So should I click on proceed to payment? Huh? Payment is already been
Yes.
done. Yeah.
Yes. Proceed to payment and make payment post to credit ledger, and after that your liability will be offset, and the proceed to file button will be open. Okay.
No. Actually, this is the reason, ma'am. Actually, I have done already this step which you are telling me. Like I will be following these steps again. Like click on proceed to payment, and so the moment I click on proceed to payment, it is showing on the upper side interest to be paid on tax liabilities both for supplies attracting reverse charge. Although there is no reverse charge in my case, ठीक है, as well as other than reverse charge. So, but still, so it is showing additional cash required 0 because I have already make payment and already make payment oblique post credit to ledger. But still, my proceed to file button is not active.
Okay. So first of all, you will go on the 3.1 table and click on that option confirm and then save.
Okay, wait. So I am clicking on back button. I am going on table 3.1 and clicking on
And
OK.
then confirm and save.
Okay, confirm. ठीक है, confirm. The moment I click confirm, I still getting one error. Okay, I will ignoring it that. I'm clicking on save 3B.
Okay. All option will be confirm and save. Confirm and save.
Okay. Okay, now I have confirmed on save GSTR 3B button. Now I'm clicking on proceed to payment button again.
Okay. And first of all, you will click on that option save GSTR 3B and preview GSTR 3B. Okay.
Okay. Preview draft GSTR 3B.
Okay. And after that, click on that option proceed to payment.
Okay, just wait for a second. Just preview draft GSTR 3B. Okay, now I'm clicking on proceed to payment. Okay. Yes.
After that, click on that option make payment post to credit ledger.
Okay, so let me do it again. Although I have already done, let me do it again. So are you sure you want to continue? I am clicking on yes button. Okay, now it's showing offset successful. Okay. Now it's coming proceed to file button, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Now your liability will be offset.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Proceed to file button will be open.
Yeah, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Is there anything else I may assist you with, sir?
No, ma'am. No. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm
Okay.
answering your call for feedback. Thank you for calling, sir.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
We are transferring your call to capture your valuable feedback for this call. Press 1 if you are satisfied. Press 2. Thank you for your valuable feedback.